For today's response to reading, you will be opening up this assignment in Schoology. We have now read the stories Gecko and Dingo, and today you are going to be filling out a Venn diagram comparing and contrasting those two stories. A little refresher about the Venn diagram. The items in the middle of the two circles are the items that are similar or have similarities between both of the books, Gecko and Dingo. You see there are 4 bullet points here, which means you will need to find 4 similarities between these two books. And now, if we're looking at just this side of the Venn diagram, here you will need 4 facts about Gecko that are not also common with Dingo, and vice versa. Over here, you have 4 bullet points that you need to find 4 facts about dingoes or the book Dingo that are not in the book Gecko. Make sure you check your spelling, punctuation, and grammar, and then you have each bullet point filled out before you click Submit Assignment to your teacher.